Hey, my name's Hikosaemon, and as you may know, on my regular channel, as well as on the Tokyo Digital Crew channel, I often live stream myself DJing. And when I DJ, I use this wonderful software, DJ Pro by Algorithm. I used to DJ when I was in my 20s. I DJed on analog devices, basically Technics SL1200, CDJ, stuff like that. When it all got computerized, my life got busy with work. I didn't want to relearn all the tools all over again, so I sort of stopped. And I told myself I might get back into DJing. I might get back into using all my music again if the tools ever become good enough that it's easy to jump in without having to commit another 3 months of practicing and learning new tools. And that's what this app is. Algorithm DJ Pro just makes allows with the stem separation, with the AI-based stem separation that separates music, melody, vocal melodies, bass, and drums out of music so that you can mash up and do stuff like that. The beat matching, the sort of intelligent library management, all that stuff is such a leap, and it's so easy to use. And the fact that I could do it straight away on my iPhone or my iPad, unlike other traditional DJing software, which are hardware first, this is really software first. The one downside of the software, however, is that there aren't a lot of hardware devices that support DJ Algorithm Pro, even though I think it's actually really exciting and powerful and great software to use. However, what's been happening is that there have been more and more devices that support the software, that are built to work with the software, hardware controllers. And as you know, whenever I perform every week, I use the Reloop Buddy. However, there are more devices coming out. And with this one, I've got a lot of wires I've got to plug in to use it. It's kind of big. I can't really throw it into a backpack or a suitcase when I'm traveling, which is fine. I can just use the iPad and play around pretty easily, obviously just straight off the screen. But at the same time, when I saw the announcement of the Hercules DJControl Mix Ultra. This is super cheap. It was less than 40,000 yen. Anyway, I live in Japan. And it has dedicated controls for this software, including the AI stem-based control. So I thought, well, between this being portable, it's also wireless. It connects via Bluetooth. So I thought I'd buy this and check it out. It seemed quite affordable. I like the portability. I like the wirelessness. I'm still definitely going to use the Reloop at home as the primary controller. But I thought, since I got it, let's do an unboxing and see what I think about it. So yeah, since I bought it, let's do an unboxing together, see what we've got. So first of all, this is the first time I have unboxed this. So you're seeing this with me. So let's take a look, see what we've got here. So I like that it comes with a case cover. It's quite light, very plastic, but that's again what I want. I want it to be something that I can carry portably. Is it from the back or the front? Oh, I see. Cool. So that case lifts off, and it's a very small controller, as you can see, compared to the Reloop. It's about 2/3 the size, maybe, but looks quite cool. Also in the box, we have an ad for the software that it's made for, which is what I use, DJ Pro by Algorithm. A quick graph on setting things up, including both batteries, and you can plug it in, which probably is a good idea. You don't want batteries running out in the middle of anything. Instruction manual, USB-C, got plenty of those, and output cables, which actually I'm probably going to use, and I use all the time with my regular setup. Boom. So here is the mixer. It does suggest, first of all, you plug in the USB-C, okay, which I can take care of because I actually have a USB-C power plug here. So let's plug in the power. Although interestingly, it does have, and I believe it's a AA battery slot, so you can power this with batteries. I'll check that out later. So it says powered on after you've got your software connected, which mine is connected. So, okay, and you add it as a MIDI device. So let's power this on. Boom. Oh, lights, camera, action. Again, all kind of a miniaturized version of the controller. I'm used to the Reloop one, which itself is honestly kind of a toy. I think in time, if I can get a more dedicated space, I'll get it like a pro controller. But this is, I love the size of this. It's actually, it's very compact. So let's go into the settings of my software here. Let's see if I can get it. Bluetooth MIDI devices. Boom. Allow detection. Mix Control Ultra. Let's connect that. Boom. Connecting. So this will be awesome if this is wireless. Connected. Really that easy. So let's see. No wire other than the power cable, which even that I could replace with batteries if I wanted to really show off. That I can already see that I can control. So I did see that it does have this output, but I presume, is it going to use the sound output of the iPad itself? Well, let's try. So I can definitely see everything here seems to be aligned. Let's just, where's the play button? Okay. Okay. Oh, wow, and it's got the volume controls here. So I can actually do, wow. Okay, so that works out of the box. There's a slight question. Okay, how would I share the music into the mixer? But I suppose at the same time, I can just listen with headphones with this. Let's figure out the iPad control. So I want to separate the AI controls. Oh, it seems to be AI by default. So let's try this track. So that's the music out. That's the vocals out. So you can see vocals only. This should be music only. It's not separating that great. And beats only. So that's pretty cool. So it's syncing by default, which is cool. And I guess I could make a cue point here. Oh, nice. Okay, controls are very intuitive. Nice, you got device volume control. So this is cool. That's pretty cool. So that works out of the box. It comes out syncing out of the box. It comes out with the AI mixing out of the box. I know that you can change it. That felt real time, even though it's using Bluetooth to connect. I didn't feel any lag with that. It felt instantaneous. And it obviously works great with the software. So I'm impressed. And the fact that I can use this with my iPhone and I can take this traveling and it's super light. And it's got a protective case. I'm very happy with this buy. The software, by the way, is free. You pay to be able to get things like the AI mixing features. But yeah, if you're into doing the sort of thing that I do, I couldn't recommend enough. The controllers are cheap. The software is free. And if you just want to see me playing around and doing this sort of stuff more, I might even use this tonight on the live stream. Check it out. So I'll put information about the mixer. This is not a sponsored thing. I literally just bought this for myself and thought I might as well share it. And this is super cool. It's really easy to use. It is a bit of a toy. It is a bit of a toy, but I mean, it does everything I want it to do. It doesn't feel, you know, cheap or anything like that. I am curious to figure out if I can actually run a line out because I need to do that for sharing the music on the live stream. But fully Bluetooth. Controls are instantly understandable. Oh, here's the sync buttons. I love the instant loop feature. There are some features on this I actually like better than on the reloop one, like straight out of the box. Although the reloop one obviously is a more built out controller. So yeah, nice stuff. This was the Hercules DJ Mix Ultra, and that was my unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it, and boom, peace.